My main goal is to glow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
Yo, what's up? Sorry.
Day 2.
So what's up, YouTube? It's your boy JP, Short Guy Production, here with another video. And this video is not how to install, but mainly just to show you what I'm doing right now. So I'm just gonna show you what I have, what I'm doing. So here you go. Hold on. So in the last video, I showed you that I purchased side skirts for my 370Z. Actually, this is facing the other way. This is the back side of it. So I made holes because yesterday, today's Tuesday, yesterday Monday, which is I think the 24th, I drew holes because I looked under the car to see where I could drill holes where the screws will go. So I drew holes last night. So that's 22 holes. Usually people do less than that. I watched a video, somebody did it, they only put 8 on each side, which is kind of crazy. But I already put one with my lovely assistant over there, my daughter, Haley. She helped me out. She held it while I screwed it in. So this is what it looks. Looks nice, I like it. And yesterday, me and my son, we did the front part. I didn't do no video on there. I just went the hell with it and just do it. And I had time to record. But this is the front lip. Looks good. Came out good. I like it. So sorry I couldn't show you how to do it and all that stuff. It was basically easy. It's a basic install. All I had to do was take out some like a rock deflector, whatever it was. I didn't have the tool to take out those little pins, the metal pins. So what I did was I used this my trusty snips, wire snips. So I cut the rubber around it. Then I got to pull it down a little bit, and I cut the metal tabs with these. So that was an easy fix. So it came out good. Let me back up here. Hopefully I don't get hit by a car. What's up, girlfriend? Alright. So that's how it looks. Looks good. And this is the side splitter. Came out good. I like it, man. Came out dope. Big shout out to Area Blitz. Came out good. This piece came straight from Canada. It took a couple of weeks to get here, but came out awesome. Like it. But anyway, let me continue on doing the other side. Catch you guys later. All right, guys. Just finished the other side. Me and my son did it. My little daughter, she just kept rollerblading, so it's all good. So let me show you how it looks. So right here, did the second part. So good. Even with the other side. Now, like time is against us, we're gonna do the back part, the back diffuser. Got the car up, so we're gonna work on it now. Be back, guys. Doing like 3 videos in one. All right.